Alrighty, next. Hello, hello. How are you doing? I gotta tell you, your pregnancy is going by so quickly. I can't believe you're already, what is it, like 26, 27 weeks? 27. It's so crazy to me. Absolutely crazy. How are you feeling? I imagine, you're basically at the 3rd trimester. I know. All right, well, let's get you checked in here. If you could confirm your first and last name. All right, and then no changes to pharmacy, insurance, or emergency contact, right? Okay, it looks like today they have you on the schedule just for a routine prenatal. I just wanted to make sure you having any problems, concerns, anything that's been on your mind lately. You're okay? Okay. Just want to make sure. All right. So what we're gonna do here then is I'm gonna get you all checked in. Did you already do your 1-hour glucose test? You did. Okay. Oh, yep, I saw that you did it about a week ago in clinic. Okay. All right, Leanna the PA will check on those results. And then as far as medication, still just taking prenatals? Okay. Do you need any refills on those? Yeah, I got you. I think we also have a sample pack too. We can give you some of those. All right. Let's see. Any other changes? Nothing more from my end, I think. So let me get a chart started for you here. This is your 27-week routine OB appointment. No concerns. So let's get those vital signs, shall we? All right. How's the family? How have you been? Good. Feeling baby move a lot? Always at night. That's how it always ends up working out for some reason. It's like they never want you to sleep. I've been good. Thank you for asking. All right. Let me kind of move the keyboard here so we just have more space. So you kind of know the drill. Just kind of rest your feet. I'm going to go silent from talking here a little bit just so we can get an accurate reading from you. All right, so you're just going to slide your arm. There you go. Good job. All right, does that feel secure? Good. Just want to make sure. Okay, just going to put this right underneath your cuff here. Blood pressure is normal. Put that there. Let me take this off of you. You want to slide your arm out for me? There you go. Yeah, no, blood pressure is very good. today we are at 108/74, so absolutely perfect. You haven't been having like any headaches, severe blurry vision, nothing like that, right? Good, just want to make sure. All right, so let's write your blood pressure here. And then we are just going to do a temperature check. Let's put this back. There we go. Now this is just going to go underneath the tongue as usual, just to make sure you're not running a fever or anything. I feel like a lot of people have been sick out there nowadays. I'm just going to go underneath your tongue. There you go. I'll just wait a few. Okay, no fever, so that's very good. Excellent. Let me throw this away here. All right, and then I am just going to put some more hand sanitizer on. And then we will write that temperature reading. Temp was good, no fever. The last thing that I am going to need from you is just to leave me a urine sample. So let me grab this for you. You kind of know the drill at this point. You are just going to pee straight into the cup. You don't have to use a wipe or anything. Close up the lid, bring it back in here so that we can test it to make sure that you're not spilling any protein or any glucose. Absolutely. And then on your bedside table there, I got you just that little blanket in case you want some privacy. But otherwise, we'll be getting heart tones. We'll be measuring your belly today. It looks like your blood type is Rh negative. You're A negative. So we'll have to write you a script to get that RhoGAM shot at the hospital next week at 28 weeks. But other than that, it seems like you're up to date. But Leanna, the PA, she'll review all your labs and results with you just to make sure you're both on the same page. But do you have any questions for me before I step out? You think you're good? Alrighty, well, I'll give you some privacy here, and Leanna, the PA, will be in shortly. Hello, hello. How are you doing today? Good. Awesome. Let me just move the chair up here. I can't believe you're already 27 weeks today. Yes, that's very exciting. So let's kind of go over a little checklist of everything that we have to address today. So 27 weeks, you're not having any signs of preterm labor, no loss of fluid, gush of fluid, or vaginal bleeding, right? Good. Blood pressure was within normal limits, so we are going to check on that urine sample before we do your physical exam today. Still taking prenatals, but you need some refills on those. Okay, not a problem at all. Today I will be writing you a script for your RhoGAM that you're going to get at the hospital. It's basically just a shot that will protect, you and your baby in the event that your baby is Rh positive. So we'll get that going for you. Let's see, fetal movement has been really good. Very active baby. Okay. Awesome. All right, and you're not having any new onset symptoms or concerns, anything out of the ordinary since we last saw you? Good. Okay. today also I'm going to give you some information on the Tdap vaccine and the RSV vaccine, so you could read up on it and let us know if you would like it. Yes, and I put the gestational ages of when you can get both of them on the files as well. We're going to get heart tones, frontal height. I know you got your 1 hour glucose test not that long ago and you did pass it, so congratulations. I know, it's always a relief. Even when I did mine, I don't know why it was so stressful, but I totally get that. Okay, well, let's check on that urine sample first. I know, I feel like it's been going by so fast as well. Like, I can't believe I'm already like, you're 27 weeks. It's crazy. All right. Let me just grab this urine sample here. I'm just gonna make sure there's no bacteria or anything like that, or protein or glucose. Okay, we are gonna sit and wait a couple minutes for that to read. But in the meantime, let's get started on the exam portion. Okay, just gonna move this a little bit for you. I am also just gonna put some paper towels so that nothing gets all over your clothes. Gonna kind of take that in. Okay, very good. Now this lubricant should be a little bit on the warmer side, hopefully for you. Should be enough. Alrighty, let's listen to baby. Heart tones are within normal limits. They are averaging in the 160s today. Awesome. Let me just these and write down the pathway here. I'm just going to wipe you off as well. You let me know if I'm missing any spots where the lube might be. Alright, next up we're going to get your frontal height. I have various tools of measurement for that, so we'll start with this one. Just going to stand up for this. Just going to feel me press on you here. measuring beautifully. We'll check again with this one here. Okay. Very good. Awesome. And it looks like your urine test did come back negative right away. So I am going to take these off here. Alright, it can be a bit of a challenge to take off, so bear with me. But yes, I have a whole box of prenatals that I can give you today. I don't know if they're the same exact ones that you were taking, but I figured I'd give them to you just so you have them in the event that you don't want to pay for your other ones if you do have to pay any price out of pocket for them. So I will hand those over to you. Oh, we're almost there. Gotta get the little thumb up. Okay. All right. So let me just make sure we have everything. Okay. So we've got the heart tones in the 160s. Fundal height is exactly at 27. Okay. I'm going to have the girls write up a ROGAM form for you at checkout so you could take it to labor and delivery. Again, you're going to want this at 28 weeks. You'll head up there. They'll give you that shot. And then they're also going to give you information on the vaccines that we have to offer in the 3rd trimester, the Tdap, as well as the RSV vaccine. You are all up to date on your 1-hour glucose. You're tracking fetal movements very well, so everything checks out there. You're up to date on your anatomy scan, your genetic testing, your OB labs are reviewed. We're going to plan to do 3rd trimester labs at your next appointment. I'll probably want to see you in 2 weeks now, okay? Yes, absolutely. So let me hand this over to you. So these are the prenatals that we have. You take one once a day. I will give this box to you. And then I'm going to give you some privacy. And the girls will see you at checkout with all of your forms. And I'm going to go get them all printed for you. You are so very welcome. It was really nice seeing you. You are doing great, Mama. Enjoy the rest of your pregnancy, and I will see you in 2 weeks. You're welcome. Have a good day.